In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to securely protect your Microsoft Word documents. This skill is vital for safeguarding sensitive information, especially if you're dealing with confidential or personal data. Let's dive in and explore how you can efficiently shield your documents. First, you need to start by opening the Microsoft Word file you want to protect. This process begins just like any other operation in Word, by identifying the document you need to secure. Make sure you have it open on your screen, and then we'll move on to the necessary commands. Once your document is open, take your attention to the menu at the top of your window and click on the File tab. This tab is your gateway to a whole host of features that can help manage your document. So it's important to know where to find it and what it contains. By clicking it, you'll be introduced to a new view filled with various tabs and metadata about your file. Next, you'll want to find and click on Info. This section houses a collection of options that you may not use every day, but are crucial for managing the properties and settings of your Word file. It's here where we can make some critical changes to the document security settings to ensure it's exactly how you need it to be. Now let's move to the key feature for today's task, which involves clicking on Protect Document. This action will present you with a list of options designed to enhance security. Let's go through these quickly to understand your choices. You might see options like Always Open Read Only, which is helpful if you want to deter casual edits. There's also the Encrypt with Password option, allowing you to completely lock down your document, requiring a password to open it. If particularly concerned about unauthorized edits, the Restrict Editing feature will really tighten control over what can be altered. For those in collaborative environments, consider Restrict Access, thereby specifying who can read or change the document. If your final step in a document's editing is to add official authentication, Add a Digital Signature can affirm both the origin and integrity of the document. Finally, there's the option to Mark as Final, which essentially indicates to anyone who opens it that the document shouldn't be changed, though it doesn't prevent them technically. Once you've selected and set up your preferred protection option, your document is now securely configured. And there you have it. You've effectively protected your Word document using some powerful built-in tools Microsoft provides. Remember that these features are in place to not only keep information secure, but also ensure you have peace of mind regarding who accesses and modifies your files. So thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Have a great day and stay secure.